Yes, you can start now.
Yeah, amazing. So, hi, good evening, friends, and so honored to be here today, this bright evening, actually. Yeah, I'm saying bright because, even when we are amidst this COVID-19, we are all here. That means it's bright, isn't it? Yeah, and I think that we are so lucky that we have been able to survive, or rather, I would use the word thrive, in these times when things have been quite gripping for most of the people on the planet. Yeah. And today I've been so honored that Vijay called me over for this little talk. And what made me actually select this subject was that we might grow in leaps and bounds, and we might grow in consciousness, and we might grow as much. But the thing is, we can never forget our roots, isn't it? And to every tree, if there is not a substantial, happy, nurtured, pampered, thick root, the tree does not stand, and stand in a way that it outstands, and bears fruit and gives the fruit to everybody, and provides the shelter and the shade. Yeah. So we, the ones who have been choosing consciousness in ways, and today, since we are talking about access consciousness, and what does access consciousness mean? Yeah. And to me, it is like, we are so lucky to have the tools to access the consciousness that is all prevailing, and make our lives easy. And access has given us such simple rules, such simple tools, and these tools are they are so easy that we can use them in our day-to-day and create a life which is easy, which is breezy, and we get to connect with ourselves, we get to connect with whatever is troubling us, and we can get out of trouble. Yeah. So coming to the punchline of access. And what is the punchline of access? It says, all of life comes to me with ease and joy and glory. Yeah. And this line, each time I use it, each time I read it, I think it just like turns me on. And why does it? Yeah, it's so easy to say all of life comes to me with ease and joy and glory. And sometimes we just like a parrot keep repeating lines, never connecting to them energetically. Yeah. And basically, what is this line talking about? That life will come on life's terms. Life will come on life's terms, but I will take everything with ease, with joy, with glory. How? By keeping myself connected to the consciousness. And what is consciousness? Everything that is real is conscious, no? And everywhere that we have not been associating with the real, then what are we doing? They are real. That is a real life that we are creating, Real is so different from the real. Yeah. Yeah. So everything that shows up for each one of you here, including me, would you now in this time like to destroy and create? And everywhere that we have been buying into the stories that do not allow us to tune into that consciousness and make us discern. What does discern mean? Discriminate between what is conscious and what is not. What is authentic and what is not. Yeah. And for that discrimination, I always need wisdom. Yeah. Wisdom to segregate what is and what is not. So the closer to consciousness I am, the closer to ease I am. So secondly, I would like to talk about, the clearing statement. Yeah. And Vijay had been giving me so many topics, and I was still, hell bent on going by this because I really felt in all the classes that I've taken and all the sessions that I take till date, I keep wondering that many of us are still not clear with the crux of, with the fundamentals of what access consciousness is talking about. Yeah. And it's so important to be very clear with the fundamentals, because even when in our school days, our teachers used to say, is the concept clear? Yeah. And if my concept was not clear, how the hell am I going to know what does pi r square mean? Yeah. So everywhere that we have been, we think that, we are 10 years in consciousness, we are 10 years in, becoming a certified facilitator. Whenever I say that, I am including myself, friends. Yeah. So whenever I think that I'm big, I think, no, I'm no big. Whenever the situation comes, I hit ground zero, and then I have to start from there and then ask myself, what is it? Yeah. And in these times of turmoil, when there is so much of anxiety, so much of uncertainty, so much of pain, so much of, the fear factor is so high on the planet. These four questions, which I'll go to first, let me explain the clearing statement. Yeah. And the clearing statement, that is everything that is times a godzillion, pock and pod, good and bad, right and wrong, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So what is the clearing statement all about? Firstly, the clearing statement is talking about everything that comes up in me, in my thoughts, in my emotions, in my feelings. I have the ability to let it go. Yeah. I can clear that off. And the clearing statement, obviously, Dr. Dane and Gary says, it's just like a magic wand, and we've read it in our manuals, I'm sure, infinite times. And what does that magic wand talk about? It is that it makes the clearing of that energy easy when I keep using the clearing statement each time I ask a question. Yeah. And when I ask a question, or I'm going through a situation like anxiety in this time, or fear in this time, or uncertainty in this time, yeah, and I can always say this, repeat this clearing statement n number of times till the time I go from unease to ease. That is the number of times I can use it for anything. And coming to the explanation of the clearing statement, that is, everything that is. Suppose, let's take an example of anxiety in this time. Yeah. So everything that anxiety that is making me anxious in this time, I choose to destroy and uncreate it all. And then he says, times a godzillion. I am ready to let go all the infinite layers that are full of anxiety. And God only knows how many zillion times I need to clear that to create ease in my life, to create ease in these moments, to create ease in this tenure and for everything that comes my way. Yeah. And then he says, POC and POD, everywhere it was created. POC stands for point of creation. The seed of this anxiety was laid, was sowed into me. That anxiety could have been of this physicality or of the lifetimes behind me. Yeah. But the energy of that anxiety still, holds so much of space within me. And that is what I desire to let go of. And then point of destruction, he talks of. POD is point of destruction. What is that? Everywhere this energy of anxiety started creating destruction in me, yeah, I am willing to let that go away. And anybody has a question around it, I would love to answer any of them. Yeah, or we can, as decided, we'll take it up after my speaking bit is over. Yeah.
We can continue. If any questions, we can unmute and ask.
Sure. So coming back to the fundamentals, and that is the 4 questions, that we have been given in the Bars manual only. Yeah. And that says, what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change this? And then how can I change this? Yeah. So these 4 questions, again, coming back to anxiety. I am relating it and I am connecting it with anxiety because probably that is the in thing these days. Yeah. And even when we are safe and even when we are, well fed and contained in our own homes, still that anxiety is gripping us somewhere at some level. It could be little, big, or humongous, whatever the degree might be. Yeah. And then how will you ask the questions here in connection to the anxiety? What is this? Yeah. And there is a being within me which is of highest vibration. Yeah. I'm not just this body. There is a being within me which is of highest vibration and it is all knowing. And what is that? That is conscious, no? That is conscious. And that gives me an answer. What is that answer? It says it is anxiety. Yeah. So what is this? The being within answers it is anxiety. Then what can I do about this? And that consciousness tells me, you can definitely let it go. You can definitely release it. You can definitely choose infinite possibilities. And what are those infinite possibilities? That is, choose ease. It could be by, dancing. It could be by taking a walk. It could be by thinking something which is positive or whatever else. Yeah. So what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change this? Yeah. Can I change this intensity of anxiety that is gripping me in this time? And that conscious being within says, if it is yours, you can. Yeah. If it is yours, you can. So then what can I do about it? How can I change that? That is by making some different choices. Yeah. I can always choose different, to feel different, to experience something different. Yeah. And to be different. And how do I do that? I know, I perceive, I be, and I receive. Yeah. What is it? What do I know? I know. All of us are all knowing, isn't it? All of us are all knowing. I know. I perceive. What am I perceiving? Perceiving is the feeling that I'm having. Yeah. It could be that I'm aware of the planet. It could be that I'm aware of my partner being really, really anxious. It could be that my child is really anxious. She's just done her 12th. What is going to happen? What does the future hold? Yeah. So, and how can I be that energy which is comforting, which is all ease, which is expansive for me? Yeah. And then there is a 5th question, which is, if this does not belong to me, if this anxiety does not belong to me in this time, then who the hell does this anxiety belong to? Who the hell? Yeah. Am I that porous that makes me more and more aware? And me being porous and that aware, actually, what does that get? That makes me pulsate with anxiety. Yeah. All that I have to keep asking myself, is this anxiety, is it light in my world? Only then is it mine? Or is it heavy in my world and it belongs to somebody else? And when things belong to somebody else, then what do we do? we just return it to the person, whoever that person is. We do not have to decipher who that person is, but I can just send it back to the consciousness, to the person with consciousness attached. Yeah. And somebody in class asked me, why would we send that shit back to the person? And I said, no, we are not going to send any shit back to the person. We are sending consciousness back to the person so that they can choose something different. They have been choosing to be anxious. And how anxious can they be? Yeah, and how much is that affecting their bodies and minds and behavior and attitude and everything else? Yeah. But when I send consciousness back, when I send everything that they have been choosing, they can choose out of it. Yeah. So who does this belong to? And who does this belong to has another, like it has another part to it. When I say who does this belong to, then I can always ask, is this mine? Is this someone else's? Or is it something else? Yeah. And if it is mine, then definitely I have to do something about it if I desire to. If it is somebody else's, I can just send it back with consciousness attached. Yeah, so that they can probably something, a light, comes through them and they start choosing something different. And what is something else? When we say something else, what is that? That is it that the planet is functioning with this energy of anxiety, of fear, yeah, of uncertainty that has been gripping everybody. And then suddenly when I start asking these questions, it's just like a dark cloud giving me way and the sun shines. Yeah. And if it is of the planets, then can we do that? I don't know how many of the people around here, I don't know how many of them have done, foundation, yeah, when we use 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So what is 1, 2, 3? We gather the energy. Yeah. We gather the energy and then we flick it. And we say 1, 2, 3. And what does that mean? That is that I am conscious and I'm aware and I can feel the pain of the planet and I can contribute to the planet and create ease in whatever way that it desires to. And the more I am connected to the planet, the more I can experience unease. Yeah. Because awareness is not all easy. Awareness is not all easy. Sometimes we say, we need to choose consciousness, and suddenly you realize we've been choosing consciousness and oh damn, life has become a little tough. Yeah. And you suddenly realize what made you choose that? What made you choose that? Probably we are the ones who have chosen light, and we are the ones that are here consciously to spread light. Yeah. And we are the ones here that if we keep spreading this light, we're definitely going to go from the surviving mode to the thriving mode. Yeah. And these COVID times are going to go off just like anything. Yeah. Just like anything. We're just going to fly away. Yeah. And is it not that in our day-to-day, we go through these anxieties and these worries and these fears and, being unhappy and, we are so unhappy with everything that is around us. Yeah. I don't know, sometimes it's so nice when you get to interact with people in sessions. Yeah. And they would say, Malvika, it's been like 6 months. We've been doing this question. We've been doing this question, 6 months. Nothing has changed for me. And I keep wondering, how the hell is the question wrong? Yeah. And energies can never lie to us. I might be lying, but energies can never lie to us. Yeah. The energies always desire our connection with them. Yeah. So everywhere that we've been thinking, that I am, I've got a question and I'm just going to say that question, never been connected to it. Now it is the auto mode, yeah? The autopilot that I have put my body to, and I will keep, being in the question because somebody asked me to be in the question and never been connected to it. Do you know how is that going to work? Yeah. Have you ever baked a cake and never been connected to it? And what was the outcome of it? Did the cake bake beautifully or did it burn or something else happened? Yeah. So each time that we have been desiring to create a life of our dreams and never been included in that life, never included ourselves in the question, how the hell am I going to experience change? And everywhere you thought that change is on an auto mode, sorry, that's all manual. That's the choice. That is the infinite choices that I keep making time and again. And those choices create ease for me. That is what creates momentum in my life. And it's not that these questions are only to be used when I am in the times of trouble, mind you. Yeah. We have our food 3 times a day at least. Yeah. And how is it that, we do not do with just 1 meal a day? So how the hell can I even dream of, just practicing them when I'm in the dumps? Yeah. I have to be connected to the consciousness that is there within me. And I have to be out of that algorithm. And what is algorithm? Algorithm is anything that I have been technically, mechanically doing. Yeah. And everywhere that I have put myself out of the equation, thinking that things are going to be happy and hunky-dory, please, it's a reminder today, that's not so. And everything that still keeps you in that whirlpool, and I'm sure you know what a whirlpool is. Yeah, it always keeps pulling you down, down, down. It never shows you the elevated part of you and the elevated you that you are holistically. And everything that shows up for you. Would you now, in this time, like to destroy and create it all times about zillion? Yeah. Pock and pot, good and bad, right and wrong, well, 9 shots, boys and beyonds. And there's a Bharati Madhu is saying, what is that no for? I do not understand. And autopilot, will you explain more? Yeah, sure. My pleasure always. Autopilot is the automated. How does a plane work these days? Yeah. Yeah, Bharati. How does a plane work these days? Can you unmute yourself and then
Hello.
have you?
Yeah. Hi. पहले आपने बताया ना कि ऑटो पायलट पे हम रन कर सकते हैं या कोई क्वेश्चंस या काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि ऑटो पायलट पे हम बार्स भी रन कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो मतलब क्या बॉडी को कमांड कर, हाँ, मतलब कोई भी पॉइंट्स, मतलब आप मनी बोल रहा तो बोलो कि ऑटो पायलट पे रख दो, तो वो मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है। ऑटो पायलट पे क्या कमांड करना है या क्या करना है उसमें? ऑटो पायलट मीन्स आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट।
Autopilot is when you are attuned to that particular vibration, you can just, by just asking, it starts running.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. By just asking, it starts running. Yeah. So like I was giving you an example, how does a plane work? Yeah, these days. Yeah, the pilots just they just sit, yeah, and they just fix everything. yeah, on the screens.
Mhm.
And the people realize they're not doing that manually. Yeah. When you, let's get to bars, because probably that will give you a closer connect to what you're asking. When we run bars, it's a hands-on process, isn't it? It's a hands-on process.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Process.
We
Right,
touch
right.
the body. What does hands-on mean? It means we touch the body and we do it. Yeah. And we delete. Now, how do we run bars on autopilot? That is just, we run just 3 bars at night, which we can do for ourselves. Can we run bars on autopilot for others? No. Can we do that? No, no.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah. So we can choose any 3. Why? Why do we choose just 3 of them? So that there is not too much of confusion. Yeah.
Okay.
And we just, otherwise we could have chosen 32 and run for ourselves each night, isn't it? Yeah. Why did Gary specify, just 3 bars? So that we do not create confusion for ourselves and we do not create confusion for our bodies. And how is it that anything that I command my body, it starts functioning there? Yeah. Anything that I command my body. And how is it that you're already attuned to it? Why? Because you've learned bars. You're attuned to it, isn't it? Yeah. But did you
Yes.
take a while to remember all the bars, the 32 ones? Just asking.
No.
Yeah. No?
No.
You didn't take time to remember? You remembered them the very first day? All these, the 32 bars?
No.
No, yeah.
After
So what?
practice, yeah.
Yeah. So after practice, we get to, and then how is it? When I've done 100 times, then I really remember which is the bar. Is this money? Is this, whatever, space, time? We exactly know what they are, isn't it? And
Yeah.
how is it that, I remember that? That is with practice. Yeah. And is it not written in the manuals where, Dane says that practice at least 20 times, without judging yourself? Yeah. Practice at least 20 times without judging yourselves so that they become yours. Yeah. And then when we start putting them on autopilot at night, the 3 bars, how is it that, do you remember putting them on autopilot each day, each night? Just asking, Bharati.
No.
You don't remember?
No.
कभी याद रहता है, कभी भूल जाते हैं.
या कभी भूल जाती हूँ और क्वेश्चंस में भी मैं नहीं रह पाती. मैं काफी टाइम सोचती हूँ. मेरी लाइफ बहुत चेंज हो गई है, पर सम टाइम मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैं क्वेश्चंस में रहूं, पर मुझे याद ही नहीं आता मैं कौन सा क्वेश्चन बोलूं, क्या करूं.
Amazing. Thank you for even telling this. Thank you. 90% लोगों को यही रहता होगा, है ना? कि इतने सारे, अपने को भी ऐसा ही रहता था. आप अलग नहीं है ना? मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता था और लगता था कि यार इतने क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, यार इतनी क्लास कर लिया, हाँ, और अभी भी जब वक्त आता है तब क्यों नहीं कम वक्त याद आता है क्वेश्चन, और ठीक क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं याद आता है? या इज दैट सो? तो फिर क्या करना शुरू किया मैंने? आस्किंग माय बॉडी.
कुछ नहीं याद आता है तो मैं destroy and
Okay, amazing. You can still destroy and uncreate, but I'm giving you how can you remember the right question at the right time. Okay. That is just ask your body. Body, give me the right question and the right tool at the right time, no? है ना? उसको hire करना सीखिए ना, body को, है ना? उसको तो कोई salary नहीं देनी है.
Okay.
नहीं, उसको तो कोई salary नहीं देनी है ना आपने.
नहीं.
है ना? So the body is there with you. Just ask it. Just ask it. I have played with this enough, Bharati. Yeah. And I used to keep wondering कि यार ये जब वक्त बीत जाता है ना तब क्वेश्चन याद आता है, ऐसा क्यों मालविका, क्या करोगी इन क्वेश्चंस को ले लेके? हाँ, इतनी क्लासेस 100 अरब क्लास करके क्या करोगी? Yeah. And then this thing came to me that, I can always ask my body to remind me at the right time, the right tool which is required. And do you know what was the magic after it? The thing started popping up. Yeah. The tool started just popping out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. And the tool used to just stand in front of me 90 degrees and just tell me, here am I. Will you use me? And create ease in your life. And all that I used, it created ease. That's the beauty, no? Yeah. We always love to externalize things, बाहर से बात कर रहे हैं. Yeah. We think, imagine your life when we did not have smartphones. तो अपने को कोई रिमाइंडर देने वाला नहीं था यार. था क्या? हाँ, अभी तो हर चीज के लिए रिमाइंडर लगा देते. हाँ, अरे उठना है रिमाइंडर, अरे उसको कॉल करनी रिमाइंडर, अरे उसको क्वेश्चन पूछना है रिमाइंडर. हाँ, तो ये स्मार्टफोन से पहले क्या कोई लोगों का जीवन बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था, नहीं? Isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So what is it? The people were more connected to themselves. The smartphones are definitely a very big contribution, but they've definitely taken our X factors away from us. They have taken away the phenomenons of us. Yeah. And all that, we are, do you know the kind of memory that we have and our cells have?
I thought always कि मुझे तो याद ही नहीं रहता. मतलब जब मैं एक्सेस में आई तो मुझे तो इंग्लिश भी बोलना नहीं आता था. तो समटाइम्स मुझे रोना आता था कि इतना मैं हाई फाई इंग्लिश कैसे समझ पाऊंगी. जब मैं वीडियोस देखती गई मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आता था, ऊपर से जाता था. समटाइम्स ना मुझे लगता था कि मैं समझ, पर टाइम भी, मतलब 4 साल हो गए, आज मैं बोल भी पाती हूँ. मुझे जो क्वेश्चंस है वो मैं पूछ भी लेती हूँ. जैसे अभी आपने जो छोटे छोटे टूल्स है, तो जैसे आपने बताया कि हु डज इट बिलोंग्स टू, काफी टाइम ऐसा होता है ना कि समझ पाते, मतलब समझ गए, पर जो जैसे यूज करना है, जैसे आपने इतना इजीली जो वर्ड्स के काफी मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये कैसे यूज करते हैं, तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि समटाइम्स हमारे जैसे लोग हैं जो नहीं समझ पाते कि कैसे यूज करना है, उसका मीनिंग क्यों है, who does it belong to. पर जैसे सर दर्द हुआ, यूज कर लिया, पर वो नहीं समझ पाते कि आपने जैसे बोला कॉन्शियसनेस अटैच, वी रिटर्न टू द सैंडल्स. सो जो आपने समझाया ना, वो बहुत अच्छा लगा, मतलब जैसे दिमाग में बैठ गया. सो थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much. And that's why I think the basics, when the basics are, and should I tell you, even if we do not do access for, and become a certified facilitator, okay, these 5 questions will sail you through. These 5 questions, they are so amazing and they are so in depth that they will sail you through. Yeah. And the clearing statement, है ना? अपने को है क्या? अभी हमने करना क्या है? जो चीज हमें नहीं चाहिए, है ना? उसको अपने शरीर से निवारण ही तो करना है. उसको बाय तो कहना है, नहीं? है ना? बाय कैसे कहना है? विलिंगनेस है ना? कोई मुसीबत थोड़ी ना पड़ रखी है. अगर अच्छा लग रहा है उसके साथ जीवन, तो वैसे भी रह सकते, नहीं? है ना? कई बार हमें कठिनाई में भी रहने की ना आदत सी पड़ जाती है ना? थोड़ा हाय तौबा करने की आदत सी भी पड़ जाती है ना, तो सोचते हैं कि बस यार ऐसा ही ठीक है. हाँ, गुजारा चल रहा है ना, सांस थोड़ा सा आ ही रहा है. हाँ, तो उस हाथी की क्यों वेट करनी कि अपनी छाती पर आकर बैठेगा? क्यों वेट करनी उसको? उससे हाथी की, अरे हाथी को
नहीं, सही है, जो है उसकी हम वैल्यू नहीं करते, हम कुछ और ज्यादा पाने की वो करते हैं ना. तो समटाइम्स मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, सब लोग बहुत क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, और समटाइम्स मुझे लगता है वो मैं तो नहीं कर पाती हूँ, मैं नहीं समझ पाती. तो इट्स ओके. अभी मैं ऐसे समझ गई कि हाँ, जो जितना एनर्जी या जो मुझ में डाउनलोड होना है वो अपने आप हो ही जाएगा. तो मुझे उसके लिए कोशिश करने की जरूरत नहीं, तो होता है, अपने आप ही हो जाता है, वो समझ में भी आ जाता है. जहाँ रिसीविंग नहीं होता है तो
कोशिश पता है किस चीज में सिर्फ करने की जरूरत है आपको? मैं बताऊं किस चीज में सिर्फ कोशिश करने की जरूरत है?
बताइए।
कोशिश सिर्फ इस चीज में करने की जरूरत है कि जो टॉक्सिसिटी है उसको अपने शरीर से निकालना चाहिए। अभी जगह खाली करेंगे तो कुछ और आएगा कि नहीं? नहीं, isn't it?
यस, एक्सेस में यही सीखे है ना कि
Exactly.
निकाल दो सब।
हाँ, तो जो जो चीज मुझे कोई भी हर्डल है, कोई भी ऐसे लगता है कि बहुत बाधा है, कोई लगता है कि मुझे जकड़ के रखी हुई है, you get that? Yeah. Anything which is always holding me tight, anything which is always holding me, gripping me, yeah, I can just let loose, no? Isn't it? कुछ है ना, कुछ एनर्जी है ना जो इस पूरी कायनात को चलाती है।
पर
The
इतना
entire
इजी होता है, इतना इजी होता है कि कोई चीज आपको पकड़ के रखे या आपको नहीं अच्छी लगती हो तो उससे आप इजीली बाय बाय कह सके और निकल जाए वैसे।
कैसे? आपका क्या क्वेश्चन था? सॉरी।
मतलब जैसे आपने बोला ना कि जो चीज नहीं चाहिए या कोई चीज हमें होल्ड करके नहीं रखनी है तो हम बाय बाय करके निकाल सकते हैं। तो ऐसे इजीली तो काफी चीज होती है ना, जैसे हमको अच्छा नहीं लगा, बुरा लग गया, कोई ने किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो वो चीज ना उसकी इंटेंसिटी समटाइम्स रहती है अपने में। तो
Okay.
वो कैसे हम उसमें ईज मतलब ओके ठीक है उसने ऐसा बोला ठीक है, पर हाँ तो
I will give you an example, है ना?
ओके।
है ना? तो भारती ने मालविका को गाली दिया, है ना? तो भारती ने मालविका को गाली दिया और वो दिल में घर कर गया। हाँ? तो कई दिन उसके साथ जिया ना, उस गाली के साथ, है ना? उठते बैठते सपने में भी वो गाली आती थी नहीं, है ना? फिर सोचा कि यार इतनी टॉक्सिसिटी, इतनी दुख के साथ क्यों रहेंगे? भारती ने तो जो बोलना था बोल दिया नहीं, उसके तो अब मुंह से निकल चुका, मगर अपने ने रिसीव भी तो किया ना, isn't it? ऐसा क्यों? I should have not received, but there is nothing called should, no? Yeah. And everything that is giving me pain, I just let it go. Pock and pod. No, is that not simple? और फिर वो पेन आएगा, फिर भारती की शक्ल आएगी, फिर उसकी गाली सुनेगी कान में, तो फिर I do pock and pod all the pain that is surrounded, yeah, and all the pain that whatever Bharti told me and everything that gives me anger around whatever Bharti said, I choose to destroy and uncreate it all, no? Is that not simple? And then
Right.
how many times do I do it? I keep doing it till the time. अभी तक भारती दिन रात मेरे साथ थी पेन में, या फिर अभी 100 बारी किया थोड़ा सा कम हो गई, थोड़ी सी भारती दूर हो गई, फिर अभी 1000 बार किया, अभी थोड़ा और डिस्टेंस हो गई, अभी 1,00,000 बार किया और दूर हो गई, अभी और किया, फिर इतनी दूर हो गई कि याद ही नहीं आती थी, पेन खत्म। Is that easy?
यस हम लोग कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बना देते, राइट?
Yeah. और जिंदगी को, हमारी जिंदगी की प्रॉब्लम ही है कि हर एक चीज को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कम वक्त बना देते, नहीं? Isn't it? Life is so simple. We love to complicate it क्योंकि थोड़ा सा टाइम पास भी हो जाता है, नहीं?
राइट।
है ना? आजकल वक्त भी थोड़ा ज्यादा, थोड़ा टाइम पास भी हो जाता है। So जब अपने को मुश्किल आए ना, अपने को we have to ask ourselves, what is making me always choose the difficult? Yeah, what is making me always choose the difficult? Yeah, and what is stopping me from choosing ease? And everything that is universe, I just give it to you. I just give it to you. Yeah. और अपने क्या रहता है, कॉन्शियसनेस अपने को प्रैक्टिस करने की क्यों जरूरत रहती है? क्योंकि कॉन्शियसनेस से ना ये सब लाइफ इजी हो जाती है, नहीं? है ना? Isn't it? इसीलिए कॉन्शियसनेस प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत रहती है। अदरवाइज बाकी की चीज में हमें ऐसे लगता है कि जिंदगी का स्पार्क ही चला गया है, या
Right.
So everywhere that we have been losing contact with ourselves, and everywhere that we have been losing contact with the light within us, that is consciousness, everything that is times a godzillion, but you in this time like to destroy and uncreate it all.
Yes.
Yeah. I have to keep choosing. I have to keep asking myself, am I desiring ease? And if I'm desiring ease, then I have to choose something different. Yeah. If I'm choosing pain in this moment, I can just choose just being out of pain. At least take a step. Ask a question. Ask a question. No? What is the question? The question, it's an algorithmic interrupt. Okay? Huh? वो कहते मूवी में ब्रेक रहता है नहीं मगर बाकी का ब्रेक के बाद तो ये क्वेश्चन ये ब्रेक है ना हमारे दिमाग को चलने से रोक देता है ना हमारा दिमाग जहां टॉक्सिसिटी में घूम रहा होता है ना उसको रोक देता है that is why the question is an algorithmic interrupt and that's very good no so the moment I ask a question the thoughts and the frequency of thoughts lessens yeah है ना उन इतनी भयंकर थॉट्स जो इतनी एक सेकंड में एक हजारों चल रही हैं उनको जरा सा शांत होगा तो कॉन्शियस कुछ आगे आएगा है ना तो उस कॉन्शियस को आगे आने के लिए हमें क्वेश्चन पूछने की जरूरत रहती है दैट इज व्हाई दे से जस्ट बी इन द क्वेश्चन be in the question because when you will be in the question then you will not do the patterns repetitively and keep creating the same pain the same anxiety the same nonsense again and again and again yeah did I make some sense did I
Yeah.
could I actually put things to ease yeah some
Yes.
ease in the questions yeah
Yeah.
amazing that's
Thank
so
you. Thank you so much.
most welcome, most welcome. And somebody's writing, I remember you mentioning in the email, okay, it's not for me. Yes, Vijay, anything else that I can put in here and contribute in this call? Would be really, really happy to do that.
We can even put, like, say, for example, some tools we are using now day-to-day life, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, every question has energy, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, how do we use these questions in, let's say, any situation, any distractor implants, right? It can be distractor implants, it can be any other situations, like every situation, how we are going to handle using these questions.
Okay. So we were talking about these five basic questions, and how can Vijay has put in a very nice thing. How can we use it in different situations? Yeah, like it could be that there is a discussion happening at home on a dining table. Yeah, and I see that somebody is infuriated. Somebody is angry. Yeah, and obviously that anger gives me anger too. Yeah, and that's how what happens है ना क्या क्या कर लेते हैं हम एक दूसरे से सींग लगा लेते हैं नहीं yeah so what is it now remember one thing the question will only come if you are present in the moment है ना अगर तो गुस्से में बह गए फिर तो गए है ना तभी उसको कहते हैं बह गए हाँ तो जब only when I am present in this moment will the question come to me firstly. If I'm not present in the moment, it's a lost game any which way. Yeah. And if I'm present in the question, then I can ask, what is this? Yeah. And then the consciousness inside tells me this is anger. And then what is this? What can I do about this? Can I do something about this? And the consciousness within tells me that My husband, he had a tough day at work, and that is what makes him angry. And अरे भैया, तुम खाना खाओ और पतली गली से चलो. Okay. Yeah. So what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change this? How can I change? I can't change the other person. He has his own baggage at this time. Can I change him? No. Yeah, what can I change? I can choose different, no? I can choose different. That I will not have locked horns with him. I will not, get into the situation where I have already understood that consciousness has told me he has had a bad day at work. Yeah, that's it. So what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change this? And if so, how can I change this? I can definitely change this by just being out of sight, isn't it? In this moment, I can choose to be out of sight. And then, who does this anger belong to? When I say, who does this anger belong to? And I get to know it is his. And then I return. What is it? What do I return? Yes, Bharati. What do you have to return?
Attach consciousness, return to senders.
Absolutely. So return it to the sender with consciousness attached. May he choose something different, which is not anger and which is much more conscious, and which will, if it is conscious, then it'll always give ease. And it'll always give ease at home. It'll always give ease in my behavior, in the relationship, and everywhere. Yeah?
Isn't it?
Yeah.
मतलब
It'll, कैसे? Sorry, I didn't get
नहीं
you.
वो या आपने बोला कि आपके जो क्वेश्चंस बोलने से आपके हस्बैंड काम डाउन हो जाएंगे, राइट? हाँ, तो मैं वही कि जब मैं और मेरी बेटी ऑलवेज आर्ग्यूमेंट्स और उसको मतलब टीनेजर को क्या होता है कि फ्रेंड्स के साथ कुछ हो गया तो वो लोग इरिटेट हो जाते हैं, उनकी स्टोरी बोलनी होती है, तो समहाउ हम एज ए मदर गाइडेंस देने लगते हैं, उनको बोलने लगते हैं कि नहीं ऐसा मत करो ऐसा, तो वो बोलती है आप जस्ट सुनो, आप एडवाइस मत करो. सो जैसे आपने बोला ना, तो मैं वही कि मैं व्हाट एल्स इज बोलती थी, और आपने इतनी अच्छी तरह से वो बोला कि राइट, मैं राइट जगह पे राइट क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछते, हम नहीं बोलते, तो वो सिचुएशन कभी टर्न नहीं हो पाती जो हम ईज चाहते कि हम दोनों के बीच में वो arguments ना हो, या I cannot advise to her that time, I cannot control myself कि मैं नहीं बोलूं, कुछ बोल ही देती हूँ. So आपने बोला वो I really पता नहीं आज मुझे मेरा रिसीविंग है या कुछ, I don't know, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
So good. पर करके देखिएगा ना.
नहीं करूंगी,
करके देखिएगा ना, हम हमेशा कहते हैं करके देखिएगा. Do it to believe it, no? Yeah. When you will experience change, then that tool will become yours. When you will experience change, that tool will become yours, and then you will keep using it in times, and they'll keep coming back to you. Why? Because you have already experienced ease with that tool. Yeah. The more I keep practicing, the more that tool becomes mine. Yeah. And the more change that I create with the usage of the tools, the more I start believing in the tool. Yeah. The more I start believing in the tool, and the more I start believing in what I practice. Is that not? Yeah. Yes. So the more I believe, the more it works, no? नहीं, अपने को पता हो कि ये डॉक्टर जो है ना बहुत गजब का है, तो देखिएगा ना पुड़िया में मिट्टी भी डाल के दे देगा ना, अपने लिए काम करती है. कैसे करती है ना? Isn't it? क्योंकि विश्वास है.
Yes,
belief is something which is so vital, no? If I believe that I can create change, then I can. If I believe I can't, then I can't. Simple.
Yes. Yeah, before 4 years, I really कि मुझे जब पैसे कमाने थे, तो I always thinking कि मेरी जैसी लड़की क्या कमाएगी जिसको बोलना भी नहीं आता है, इंग्लिश भी नहीं आता है. तो ये एक्सेस ने मुझे बहुत चेंज, मतलब जो चीज में मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था, मैं इमोशनल थी, I really thank कि एक्सेस मेरी लाइफ में आया और मेरी लाइफ बहुत चेंज हुई। पर ये जो छोटी छोटी चीज जो आपने बताई, काफी टाइम्स हम डेली लाइफ में चेंज नहीं ला पाते, और आता है पर जो चीज हम जैसे चाहते वो नहीं होता है। तो जो आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से, मतलब जो कभी हम किसी को नहीं समझ पाते या हम उनको काम डाउन नहीं कर पाते, तो हम भी उनकी एनर्जी में चले जाते और हम भी एंग्री हो जाते। तो ये जो आपने बताया ना, वो रियली इट्स हेल्प मी अ लॉट। सो
So
थैंक यू।
beautiful. That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. And Mamta is asking, please repeat the command to be given to your body to ask the right question at the right time. Can you just ask the body, body, give me the right tool at the right time? That's it. There is no command, darling. There is no command.
राइट।
Body को हिंदी, इंग्लिश, पंजाबी, फ्रेंच, तेलुगु सब समझ आती है, पता है क्यों? क्योंकि बॉडी एनर्जी है, इसलिए उसको सब समझ आती है। हम किसी तरीके से भी उससे मांगे, किसी तरीके से भी उसको कमांड करें, उसको समझ आती है, isn't it? तो ऐसे भी बोलूं कि बॉडी यार, राइट टूल राइट वक्त पे दिखाना ना, है ना, है ना, राइट टूल राइट वक्त पर दिखाना ना। इतने सारे टूल्स है ना अपने पास, ये टूल्स जो है ये अपने ड्रॉर्स में रख के कोई काम नहीं आएंगे, नहीं, है ना। ये कोई स्क्रू ड्राइवर, कोई हथौड़ी नहीं है ना। तो इनको तो यूज करके ही अपना बनेंगे ना। और इसको जितना जितना हम यूज करते जाएंगे, जितना जितना आप यूज करते जाएंगे, उतना ज्यादा आपको अपनी लाइफ में, अपनी बॉडी में, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स में, अपने हर जगह पे यू विल स्टार्ट एक्सपीरियंसिंग दैट ईज।
तो मैंने तो कभी इतनी पढ़ाई नहीं की है, उतनी तो मैंने एक्सेस में कर ली। मतलब हर दिन मैं ये टूल्स लेके बैठती हूँ, ये लेके बैठती हूँ, करती रहती हूँ। तो काफी टाइम मुझे लगता है कि क्यों मुझे याद नहीं रहता है। जैसे हर कोई क्लियरिंग कर देता है, ये कर देता है। तो अभी वो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नहीं है कि हाँ मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आता है, कि ये नहीं आता है। अभी हर चीज स्मार्ट, आपने जैसे बोला स्मार्टफोन में देख लो, मीनिंग नहीं पता है तो देख लो, तो हो जाता है।
So
So
nice.
yeah.
You know, everywhere there is a will, there is a way, no? Isn't it? तमन्ना
Yeah,
रहती है तो रास्ते खुद ब खुद बनते जाते हैं, नहीं? Isn't it?
बन जाता
तमन्ना
है,
रहती है
right.
तो खुद ब खुद बनते जाते हैं. And how is it that how is it that God keeps functioning in us, yeah, through these tools, through access, and through whatever else that is conscious, yeah? And it just keeps coming, isn't it? It keeps coming when I'm ready to receive. Everything comes my way. And when everything comes my way, I can just use it. Use it to my advantage and use it to the advantage of my family. Use it to the advantage of the planet, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
And everything that stops you and everything that still makes you somewhere, put you in a space of doubt. Are these tools ever going to work for me the way they have been working for the others? I'm sure they are. Yeah, they're already working. That's why we are here on call. And everything that stops you from recognizing yourself. Yeah, I always say, go back to day one. Go back to day one and ask yourself, where were you? Yeah. हाँ, कौन सी खाई में बैठे थे, आज कितने ऊपर आ गए। और जब वो पहला दिन याद करते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको अपनी जो आपने लैडर, जो सीढ़ी चढ़ी होती है ना, वो दिखनी शुरू हो जाती है अच्छे से, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 You
Yeah.
feel good about yourself, and it's very important for you to recognize. Yeah. Yeah, it is very, very important for you to own, to claim, to recognize. And the fourth is believe. Believe that you have been able to create the change that you always dreamt of and desired. Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much.
Malvika ji, I would like to ask a question.
Sure.
Yeah. So actually, to gain some perfection in my life, I've been taking up many initiatives, completing small tasks in which I'm not getting any cooperation. But because I want to clear my karmic accounts, I think that I have karmic accounts with others. That's why I'm not getting the support. So not to spoil my karmic account, I take up the responsibility and I'm doing the works. But then I
Okay.
get stand out and I'm getting irritated.
Irritated for?
Irritated on myself. On like I think I'm overdoing it, or maybe I'm not planning it properly.
I'll just ask you. I don't know if you resonate with this or not. If you did not have any karmic accounts, then would you still clear?
But what is the other option except fighting then?
Sweetheart, listen to me what I said. Yeah, I'm saying if for these 10 seconds you did not have a karmic account, then would you still choose to clear? I'm just asking.
No.
You will not clear? Only if you have a karmic account, that will you clear?
Acha, you mean to say pock and pod everything?
या कुछ भी आप क्लियर तब कर रहे हैं कि आपका कार्मिक अकाउंट है, सिर्फ इसीलिए क्लियर करते जा रहे हैं कि आपका कार्मिक अकाउंट है. हाँ या ना?
मैं काम इसीलिए करती हूँ कि मेरे को लगता है कि मेरा अकाउंट है, पर पॉकेट पॉट तो मैं ऐसे नहीं कर रही हूँ.
तो हमें वहां पर जाने की भी जरूरत है कि मेरा कार्मिक अकाउंट है कि नहीं. मुझे तो सिर्फ क्लियर करने की जरूरत है ना, है कि नहीं? Yes or no? Yeah. Anything which is bothering me, anything which is troubling me, anything which is, you know, not creating greater in my life, I can just poke and pot that, no? No?
Okay. Yes.
How do I have to even bother there's a karmic account here or not? Do I have to bother? Will you get a chart from the one above who will tell इसके साथ 5% कार्मिक अकाउंट, उससे 10, उससे 20, उससे 50? वो तो खुद ब खुद आते रहेंगे नहीं आपके सामने, लोग नहीं आते रहेंगे नहीं,
Yeah.
है ना? तो आप जो आपको जिस चीज से परेशानी है उसको क्लियर करते रहिए ना, लोग तो अपने आप हटते रहेंगे ना आसपास से.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Did you get what I'm saying?
Yes. Yes. I got it.
Did I make sense? Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank
Do not bother your head for how many people are there. अरे अपने को पता ही क्या है यार, अपना तो पता नहीं है अभी तक पूरा, लोगों का अकाउंट लेने चले हैं. हाँ, अपना क्लियर करते जाइएगा ना, तो वो सब सारे जिनकी जरूरत होगी रहेंगे, बाकी के बाय हो जाएंगे. बहुत बहुत अच्छा. Is that not good? Let's find an easiest way out of all this. यार ये मजमा बहुत भयंकर है.
Definitely. Definitely.
और जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है, ये मजमा बहुत भयंकर है, जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है. तो अपने पे सब फोकस रखिएगा ना, and let's clear and just have fun, यार. Isn't it? I'll clear because I can. Simple. And why do I not clear? Because I'll experience ease. That's what I'm here for. I'm just going to have fun and have ease. That's it. Yeah.
Definitely. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question. And
And
thank you.
you can also talk about any upcoming classes.
Vijay, for this time, actually, I'm not taking any classes. Yeah, but I do distance healing. Yeah, and I am specializing in distance healing, and there is that I have been doing very extensively. Yeah, and I've been really enjoying that. And anybody desires to get in touch with me, you're more than welcome. And I think I'm here for a purpose, and that is what
Hi, ma'am.
radiates me more. Yeah. Yes,
Hi, ma'am. This is Rashmi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So my question is, first I asked what is karmic account, because I don't know much about it, as you discussed.
कार्मिक अकाउंट, पहले तो ये पूछूंगी, आप कर्मा में बिलीव भी करते हैं कि नहीं?
हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल करती हूँ.
ओके. तो कार्मिक अकाउंट जितनी मुझे समझ है,
हाँ.
बहुत छोटी सी समझ है, तो उससे बताती हूँ कि कार्मिक अकाउंट ऐसे रहता है कि कुछ हमारा ना हिसाब किताब है ना पिछला. तो जो हिसाब किताब पिछला है वो हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स में सामने आ जाता है ना?
ओके.
और वो कभी बॉसेस के रूप में आ जाता है, कभी मेड्स के रूप में आ जाता है, कभी हस्बैंड्स के रूप में आ जाता है. Isn't it? Isn't it? तो वो जब अपना हमने 0-0 करना है ना अकाउंट.
Okay. Okay.
तो जब 0-0 करने में मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि what can I do?
Right.
Yeah. And I think the more I keep connecting to myself, yeah, the more that it goes away. Yeah. Any of the accounts, they are themselves cleared.
Right. Right.
Get
बिल्कुल.
that? That is
Yes.
it. क्योंकि
Yes.
जब भी हमें ये पता रहे ना कि हमने why are we here on the planet? Yeah. And why are we here in this body for on the planet? Yeah. And there is a purpose to it. And
Right.
each time I know that I am doing what I'm here for, then I'm always away from the rest. Yeah.
Right.
And keep focusing on that. Yeah.
Okay.
And that's what is
Okay.
required.
Thank
Yeah.
you. And one more question. जैसे आपने बात की थी ऑटो पायलट मोड, आई मीन एक्सेस बार का, राइट? सो मैंने एक्सेस बार के बारे में भी मेरे को ज़्यादा नहीं पता है. एक दो बार आई जस्ट केम टू नो अबाउट इट कि 32 बार्स होते हैं and हम उनको मतलब टच करके ऐसे रन करते हैं. तो अगर मैंने उसको सीखा नहीं है तो स्टिल आई कैन लर्न. जो 3 आपने बोला कि 3 ऑटो पायलट मोड पे हम कर सकते हैं बॉडी को, आई मीन स्लीपिंग टाइम तक.
आपकी अगर आपको पहले बार सीखनी पड़ेगी ना, एक्टिवेटेड बार्स ही नहीं है.
अच्छा.
पहले बार्स एक्टिवेटेड होंगी तो उसको ऑटो पायलट पे डाल पाएंगे ना आप.
ओके. ओके. आई थॉट कि कुछ क्लियरिंग स्टेटमेंट जैसे होता है तो इस टाइप से अगर है तो मे बी आई कैन डू दिस.
No. You have to learn bars. And when you learn bars, you will be activating your bars. And then when you activate your bars, only then can we do that.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And Mamta, you've asked for the contact for distance healing. Vijay, can you just share my number?
Yeah, I'll share.
Yeah. And that is 93160333838. And otherwise, Vijay will share it on group. Yeah, and I think that will be good. You can always go to my YouTube channel, Malvika Kapoor. Yeah, and I'm sure you've seen me here live, so you can match up the picture there and you shall get me there. Yeah. So it's been great connecting. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Bye.